Don't replace your TV yet. Try this first. Just spray this on the vents once a month. It'll last twice as long. Super easy. Do this once a month and your TV will last twice as long. Warning, this is a hidden trap. You can't fix this. 99% of people ignore this simple TV maintenance trick. Just wipe the screen gently with a soft cloth. Stop killing your TVs. One spray stop by heat. So super easy tip. Do it monthly and your TV lasts twice as long. Do this once a month and your TV will last twice as long. It's a super easy tip. Your TV is dying faster? Just spray this True Deaths a month. It cools the vents and doubles its life. 99% of ignores TV maintenance trick. Spray this on one vents, your TV will twice as long. Super easy. This 1-minute habit can save your TV. Just spray this on the vents once a month. It can double your TV's lifespan. Extend your TV life instantly. See that? See that? Just spray the vents once a month. Super easy. Your TV will last twice as long. Do this once a month and your TV will last twice as long. Just spray the vents. Super easy tip. Look at that!